Hey Smart Scout, Michael here, and today I'm going to show you how to look for potential brands to acquire by using Smart Scout to search smarter, not harder. So we're going to use the seller tool to be able to find these potential brands. The seller tool is the 7th tool down here on the left side. This is what it will look like. And if I just search, then, and I don't have anything filled out, but this shows the number of sellers that we're going to be pulling. So it's going to show us the top 20,000 sellers in all of Amazon rated by monthly revenue. So this is a good place to start. So as we can see, Amazon at 8 billion is 8.5 billion is the highest. Okay, so now kind of the next step, we're gonna start filtering a little bit. So the first thing I want to filter is by monthly revenue. So let's say we're going after somebody who makes at least $1 million a year. So that'd be $85,000 a month, and I'm gonna max it out at $200,000 a month. Okay, so that'll filter us down just a little bit more. So some of our categories here, obviously we have the name of the seller, seller ID, category, their primary subcategory, their monthly revenue, the percent of FBA. Now this number isn't the percent of the FBA as in the percent of their business that is FBA. This is what percentage of their Amazon sales are fulfilled by Amazon and then versus fulfilled by a merchant. So next I'm gonna filter by full brand coverage. So what this shows me is if they currently are 60% or more of sales on a specific brand, then that'll appear here. So I only want them to have full brand coverage of one brand, which is pretty common for private label sellers. There are going to be some private label sellers that have multiple successful brands, but today we're just going after one with just one. And then I also want to filter by country. So I'm going to go over here, filter. We're only looking to buy a company that is in the US. So everything's looking good. If you want to, you can filter by the number of ASINs. This can help you kind of weed out some larger brands. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go minimum of 1 ASIN and maximum of 10 ASINs. Okay. And then last but not least, I think I'm gonna filter by category. Let's do pets and supplies. Okay, refresh the data. And now we're at 1,758 results. Let's see here. Let's check this guy out. The Kitty Pass. Okay, so the Kitty Pass, it looks like it is a cat door. That's kind of fun. So it's a cat door that you put inside of your home. So this is the lead product with $100,000 a month in revenue. This one has 65,000. Looks like this one you just put in the wall. It's not as popular. Okay, this kind of screams private label to me. Let's look at the Amazon page. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good product. We've got over 5,000 reviews. This is looking like something that I would definitely be looking into calling them up even later today if I was in a position to acquire companies. This looks like a pretty good place to start. So as you can see, just by using this tool, you can get a lot accomplished in a very short period of time, and hopefully this process will help you find leads and find deals by working smarter, not harder.